Let us see how to install Eclipse IDE. So go to the environment setup, follow the steps. First step, download Eclipse installer. Depends on your system architecture, use corresponding Eclipse installer. I will use x86-64. Let me open the download folder. To install Eclipse IDE, double click it. You can double click here directly. Open. Eclipse installer is like a wrapper which will help you to install different type of Eclipse IDE versions. For time being, I will skip this part. So Eclipse installer will open this view, what type of Eclipse IDE you would like to install. As we are currently working on Java, you can install Java developers. But remember, if you would like to get Java development jobs, rather than focusing on core Java, you have to focus on web developments too. So install Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developer, which is a free version. So you can click that and it will provide you the location and which JDK version it will use. So currently I have JDK latest version 17. So I'm going to use that. And so instead of going this folder, I will select the folder structure directly into Eclipse. That's it. Let's click the installation. After we install successfully, it will show like this. Close this one. You can click. For now, we don't need to launch. You can go to the corresponding folder, Eclipse. This is the file link. You can double click and open Eclipse. It will ask you create a directory as a workspace. Workspace is a directory where you can keep all your Java projects. Eclipse suggested Eclipse Workspace as a name. I already have a folder. So what I will do, I will replace this workspace with Eclipse projects and launch. And it will open the folder as a workspace. You can see that Eclipse has opened with a welcome page. We can close this one. Eclipse will give multiple options with different window structure, which will be helpful for us to work on Java based project